If you're just starting your fitness journey, this is the first thing you need to train. It's the most important thing you need to work on. You need to train your ability to be consistent. I'm serious, even if you have the best workout plan in the world, nothing works unless you're consistent. So what does that mean? Take any program, whether it's from your fitness instructor, an online workout plan, a 30-day challenge, Pilates class, a walk routine, start it and see it through till the end. The intensity does not matter, it's really just to test your ability at being consistent, because that's the hardest thing to master. This is going to force you to show up when you're supposed to and to prioritize your fitness plan. And what's the result in mastering this part of your fitness journey? You're going to develop routines and habits. Success is rooted from your daily routine. A strong routine will get you to where you need to be. And with routine, you'll develop habits. You'll start doing things without even thinking about it. That's when things become natural. It becomes a lifestyle more than a chore. But to get there, you need to start by being consistent. So your first goal is not only about burning belly fat and building a whole ton of muscle. It's to show up every day and get the job done. That's your mission. You got this.